How can DUI charges be mitigated in Connecticut? Attorney Steven Tomeo says, if you're a second offender in Connecticut, you're almost always given the alcohol exchange program, which gets the case dismissed. If you are picked up again within 10 years, you're a first offender. The next time, it's a second offense, which is a felony and carries mandatory jail time of 120 days to 2 years. You may be asking the court, the prosecutor, or the judge to knock the case down to a misdemeanor and into a first offense where the punishment is a maximum of 6 months, 48 hours of which may not be waived. If you have a bad case, meaning there's little likelihood of winning at trial, the judge might want to know what you've done for yourself. Did you sign up for outpatient treatment? A lot of hospitals offer that. You go 2 or 3 times for 4 or 5 weeks. You learn about yourself and the possible causes for drinking. There are also clinics that have sprung up all over for drug and alcohol use. You go in for 30 days, you are confined to the clinic and can't leave, and you can't drink. You participate in therapy sessions and learn discipline, exercise, and diet. All these things can help you. Some programs are covered by insurance, and there may be public programs that charge on a sliding scale based on your income. A judge will want to know what you've done. Have you voluntarily enrolled in a program? Have you volunteered your time for charity? Have you given back to the community? You're not going to spend the rest of your life in jail, so you need to be a productive citizen when you get out. You need to do something for yourself toward that end. Some people might say, well, I took classes last time and it didn't help. But that's not a good answer. Sometimes it takes repetition to have things sink in. A judge or prosecutor may take that into consideration. What a person has voluntarily done for himself. You want the judge to think, well, here's a guy who's trying to make amends, and be willing to take a chance on that person and not just throw them in jail. On the other hand, if it's a second or third offense and the person can't show they're doing anything for themselves or for anyone else, a judge might think, I remember this guy. He's a drunk and nothing has reached him. They may feel that if they give him a break, he'll go out and do it again, or worse, kill someone next time. Then it will be on the judge's conscience. There have been too many cases where a repeat offender has killed or injured someone, and a family member can say, if that driver had been given 120 days in jail for that last offense, he wouldn't have been out on the road to kill my loved one. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Steven Tomeo in Pomfret Center, Connecticut at 888-994-6356 or visit him on the web at www.ctduiattorney.com.